Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an Alfredo chicken bake in the Artisan oven. So I have a few ingredients here. I have some pre-cooked smoked chicken. I've got some mozzarella cheese. I have some cut up green onions, some Alfredo sauce. I would really recommend using a homemade Alfredo sauce. It just kind of steps it up a little bit more in my opinion. I've also got some breadcrumbs and some pre-cooked penne pasta. To start out, I'm gonna saute these mushrooms. I've got the oven up to 400 degrees, but I'm gonna crank it up a little bit just for these mushrooms. Okay, those mushrooms are done. Turn that oven back down to around 400 degrees. So I'm gonna toss in just some penne pasta. This is pre-cooked, so not quite half full. And then this is some smoked chicken that was previously smoked earlier today. And then the sauteed mushrooms. These smell delicious. By the way, I'm doing this in an 8-inch skillet. You can do it in any size you want, but you might need to adjust cooking times or whatever. Just the green onions. Okay, now we're gonna add the Alfredo sauce. All right, now that I've got most of the ingredients in there, I'm gonna just lightly mix it up here. We're gonna top it with the mozzarella cheese, and then these are just some Italian breadcrumbs to give it a little bit of a crunch. The oven's just shy of 400 degrees. We're gonna throw it in there. Again, you're not necessarily cooking anything because everything is already cooked. So we're just heating it all up and letting those flavors meld together. All right, the pasta's been in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, cooking anywhere from 350 to 400 degrees. What I'm gonna do now is I've got some chopped parsley, just a little bit of garnish on top. All right, it's that easy for a chicken Alfredo bake. But what you can do is mix and match some of these ingredients, put something in there to make it your own. Anyway, for this recipe and many others, check them out at campchef.com or check out this recipe and this one for other options on the Artisan oven.